So be very careful when trying to take investment advice from a realtor.
At last, you could be. You could be. At last,
Listen, a quick message. One thing that you have to realize, there's a big difference between realtors and investors, right? A realtor, not that, either one is like better than the other, but the difference is a realtor, they sell properties for a living. So their objective is a little bit different, right? Especially with that commission. Whenever there's a commission incentive, your objective can change. So if I'm getting a commission based on the sales price of a house, my whole focus is going to be on how can I sell properties at higher sales prices, which is primarily going to be in A-class and maybe B-class neighborhoods. How can I sell those properties? How can I move more deals? And my market knowledge is going to be more specialized in those types of areas, right? It's not going to be specialized in the C-class. When I'm an investor, my perspective, my whole focus is on how can I get to the areas that are undervalued right now where development is happening. Some people will say gentrification, but it's not really about gentrifying an area. It's just about development. Where's the development happening? Where are the builders moving and shaking? And how can I get in early before the realtors and all the other market makers can even see that opportunity? And when you're thinking on that wavelength, you're going to be looking at areas that a realtor is going to say, no, stay away from there. That area is no good. Stay out of there. They're not going to appreciate there, because the realtor typically doesn't have that vision. They're not forward facing because the commission is not in the future. The commission is today. So they're thinking about where prices are today. They might think maybe a year down the future, but they're not necessarily thinking like the investor, which is thinking 10, 20 years from now. If I buy and hold this, where's that price going to be at? So be very careful when trying to take investment advice from a realtor. Like, once again, if you're going to buy a house to live in, take advice from a realtor, because they're going to know where the best areas are now and maybe how they'll appreciate a year from now. But if you're looking to invest, you need to be taking advice from an investor who's thinking long-term, who's looking at opportunities that no one else can see right now and has vision. The best investors have forward-facing vision 10, 20 years down the line. So stay tapped in, stay locked in. A lot more lessons coming for you guys. I'm at the park doing a thing with BKG3, practicing what I preach, which is spending more time with your family, leveraging real estate so that you can put into the next generation and build that generational wealth.
Really fast, if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you can stay tapped into the free content that I'm putting out. It's going to 10x your real estate education, so you really don't want to miss out. Stay tuned in. And as an extra bonus for sticking around, I'm going to give you instant access to my 24/7 cash flow playbook and 5-step 30-day bonus training, where I break down in detail the exact strategy that I use to acquire and full gut renovate over 300 rental properties in less than 5 years. I'm also going to extend access to a complimentary one-on-one coaching call. That session allows me and my team to diagnose your business and show you how you can fast track your success by tapping into our done for you model. So if you want to claim these free gifts, go ahead and just click that link and schedule your free coaching call. But these slots fill up quickly, so you definitely have to move fast.